Good day, friends and followers. Today I'm gonna show you how to install EasyPHP 1.7 and transfer MySQL database and system to a new PC. So in this video, we can also learn how to download and install EasyPHP 1.7, export or save the latest update of your database, import your database to the newly installed EasyPHP 1.7, link the system and database, and create system shortcut in the desktop. So first of all, I would like to let you introduce in how to download and install the EasyPHP 1.7 application. So we can search the application in Google. So just type the name of the application here, and then you can choose from the different sites where you can download the application. So for now, I will choose this download file list through EasyPHP OSDN. So click on it. So since the EasyPHP 1.7 is already obsolete, so we'll look for the obsolete files folder. So click on all files. So choose the archives obsolete. So we do have here the 1.7, then click on EasyPHP 1-7 setup.exe. Then click the external link here. So we'll just wait until the setup starts downloading. So we'll just wait when the downloading process will complete. So we just need to make sure that we will download our application from a trusted site to avoid viruses and other malwares to be downloaded together with the application. So it is the most important part of downloading is to prevent this malicious software, since it can cause harm to your computer system. So our download is now complete, so let's click here and show in folder. So we now have the EasyPHP 1-7 setup. So you just double click on it, click run to install, then do you wish to continue? Click yes. So after this one, click next, then next, then accept the agreement, then click next. So after clicking next, the installation of your software will now start. So for now, I will not click next since I already have this application installed in this PC. So now we just successfully downloaded and installed our application in our new PC. So the next thing to do is to export or save the latest update of our database from our old PC. So what we are going to do, so let us open our EasyPHP application from our old PC. So just double click on it. So it shows that the application is started. So right click, click on configuration, then click on PHP My Admin. So we'll just wait for the home page to load. So we have now our database. So click on this down arrow, then click the database. So click on export, then select all, then make sure that the SQL button is clicked or chosen, then click on save as file, then click on go. So we will now see the status of downloading the database. So we'll just wait until it is finished. So it shows your download complete, so we can see the folder. So we now have the database or updated database downloaded. So after exporting or saving the latest update of our database from our old PC, so we just now need to import or install the database to our newly installed ECP HP 1.7 to our new PC. So first, what we gonna do, so just simply open again the PHP my admin page. So please make sure that you are in the home page, then in the create new database field, so let us place here the name of our database. So we just need to make sure that the name of our database here is the same with the database name that we use in our system or in our source code. So let us use that example. So after choosing the database name, so click on create. So after creating, so we can manually create our tables here. So just by placing here the table name, then how many fields is our table contains, so and then click on go. So to sum it up, so we have a shortcut on how to save or transfer our old database to our new database here. So please click on SQL. So in this field, so we are going to paste all the data that was saved in the updated SQL that we have downloaded recently. So we just need to find the download. So here we are. So just open. Okay, just copy and paste all the information. So just Control A to choose all, and then Control C to copy all. So we'll just need to paste it here. So after pasting, click on go. Okay, so for now we all have here the information or the old database transferred to our new database here. So if in any case, so we do have many informations that was saved in our old database, if it hangs up when we try to paste it here, so what we can going to do, so we can simply okay, it hangs up. So usually when we have a lot of information that was already saved in our old database, so like for example in this one, so usually it will hang the app when we try to copy and paste all this information in the SQL field. So what we are going to do, so we can simply copy and paste some information first. So just make sure that you will copy or you will cut this information until this semicolon. So if ever you will place or you will paste the information just until here, so it will cause an error. So just make sure that you will copy and paste and cut the information after the semicolon. So we can click on Ctrl X to cut this information. So we just need to paste it over here and click on Go. Okay, so the table attendance is now added. So just keep on repeating the process until all the informations here will be transferred to our new database. Click on Go. Okay, next. So basically we have many information, so that it will take time to copy all these informations. So just repeat all the whole process and copy or cut and paste until all the informations was completely transferred here. So after transferring all the database to your new PC, so what we gonna do next is to link our system to our database. So now what we gonna do, so simply we just need to know where our source code is located. So just need to know the exact path. So for here it is placed in computer local disk D, the add folder, and then EIS folder. So just make sure that you will memorize that path. So simply we'll be opening the EasyPHP application again. So right click here, click on administration. So after opening the administration page, so click on adjutor. So adjutor means add. So simply we can place here the name of our login page. So in this field we will place the path where our source code is located. That's local disk D colon backslash the add folder backslash EIS folder backslash. Then click on OK. So now we have the link to our database. So just click on this link, so it will open the login page. So we can now start logging into our system. That's it. So after linking the system and database, so what we gonna do next is to create system shortcut in the desktop. So first we just need to right click in the desktop, click on new and click on shortcut. So type the location of the item here. So we'll be placing the path, that's http:// so The default database IP address is 127.0.0.1, or we can also place here localhost. So / the name of the folder where our source code is located, / the login page file name. Okay, so just click on next. So let us choose the name of our file or the shortcut. So we'll just put this inventory system. So click on finish. Okay, so we now have the inventory system. So we can now use the system, and we can access it through this shortcuts. Just double click on it, so we can now sign in through our account. So that's it. So I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel to be updated to the latest video that I'm going to post here. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Have a great day.